This is the Financial News Network. I'm Chuck Pierce. Citigroup reduced its global forecast for this year and next, with severe reductions for the United States, Eurozone, and the UK, along with moderate cuts in China and India. The brokerage reduced its global gross domestic forecast for 2011 to 3.1% from 3.4%, and for 2012 to 3.2% from 3.7%. The company said it doesn't currently look forward to expect recessions in the major economies, as this slowdown in economic growth is not enough to overturn global profits. In a brokerage note to clients dated in August 24th, the company said that they do expect advanced economy growth will remain sluggish to end 2012 at least. Citigroup has a potential upside of 86.8% based on a current price of $28.45 and an average consensus analyst price target of $53.16. For more updates, stay tuned. You're watching the Financial News Network. I'm Chuck Pierce.